Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper, the Motorbuilder, and we're going on with the RB19. Hope all the cameras hold. Alright, so as I said, stage number 6. Camera wasn't rolling, sorry about that. Number 6. Red Bull show run in Lisbon, Portugal, which David Coulthard does a lot. It's a very special city for Coulthard. He has never forgotten the 1995 race where in Estoril, where he took his first Grand Prix victory. Wow. And this is the sprint race in Azerbaijan, Baku in 2023. Classification, Sergio. This is the win of, yep. All right. So it was Sergio, Leclerc and Max. Front brake calipers and disc, as you can see right there. We're going to put more onto that. And we're going to be putting that onto the cockpit frame in the beginning as well. Right there, that is what we're going to have at the end. Right there, this is what we have. The caliper is wet, but the discs are plastic. All right, so we've got these 3. Let's see how we put them on. Like so. So we push that out properly. I don't know how far that it needs to go, but push it as far as possible. Make sure that you don't break it, because you don't want that to happen. So we've got that on now. This camera seems to disconnect all the time. Then we're putting that one on, which has got 3 pins. And that is what we have then. The cowling, what's it called? The outer cover of the brake disc. And then and then we're going to take that one in, the caliper, and push them onto those 2 pins there. And that is what we have. As you can see right there. Really nicely put together. So we're going to put that there and go on. That stage is done. The Azerbaijan free practice and qualifying. Helmut Marko's 80th birthday. My goodness, is he 80 already? Wow. Charles Leclerc was the quickest, and then the 2 Red Bulls, Max and Sergio, for the qualifying. For the race, Sergio was first, Max was second, and Leclerc was third, and Alonso was fourth. So he's quite close still, but not as close as he was before. He had a lot of third places in the previous races. April 30th. And here we go, the survival cell. We're going to put that together, and then we're going to put this one on. So we're going to push a lot on, but we're not going to put a lot of, we are going to put a little bit more screws on. All right, let's see. Make a choice which number I like the most. Would have been 3 would have been the nicest. So a 33 would be the nicest. But we're not there yet. We're nowhere near that. So that's the whole survival cell, and 3 screws, A, C and E. So we're pushing those 2 in, as you saw just there. They're quite neatly together, as if it's one piece off. And it feels significant now. Let's see. They're not showing the Hard Rock Cafe. Okay, we're putting That one there. That one there. Wow, that fits together like a glove. Oh my God, that's good. All right, let's see which. That is a good one. Okay, let's see where we put that screw in. We put an A screw, and I'll show you in a moment because I can't show you that right here. We put an A screw into that point there. That will keep most of these at bay. Then a C screw a little bit further back, which is into metal, into that point. It's too dark. Into that point there. Sorry, into that point there. Maybe you can see it. There. Oil. Where's my little light? I had that beautiful light thingy. Have a look at that. That is neatly together. Where's that light? Where did I put that? As you can see right there, that is where the screws are in. Right there and there. So we've got that together. Let's go to the next one. Then we've got two flanged E screws that we're going to put into those points there. That one and that one. And these are into plastic. It's metal it's going into. But all right, let's put a little bit of oil on it anyway. There we go. Those two in as well. And that's stage 7 done. We're going to stage 8, which is the last one, and we're not using this or any of this just now, but it looks really, really nice. This is a very quick one, guys. There's hardly anything going on here. This is number 8. These two parts. And let's go to the magazine and see what's going on in that. Number 8, as you can see right there. Free practice and qualifying in Miami 2023. Sergio the quickest, Max in 9th place. Let's see if we can find out what was happening. He made a little mistake, so he couldn't finish, but look where he is at the end, and we've got Fernando on 3rd again. So Max Sergio Fernando, and Ferraris are in 5th and 6th. There we go, and they had a special livery in that on that race. And this is the headrest. It looks quite big, but there's a lot of stuff missing in the back. I thought that would have been a cushion, but so as you can see, we're not doing a lot. We're just pushing it in. So let's do that and get rid of the rubbish bits. And there we go. It's in. Now let's get everything out. This is what we've done in the last 2 packs. We put, first thing we did the wheel, we put a lot more onto the suspension, then we put the safety, I can't remember what they called it, a survival cell together, put that all together, which looks really nicely put together. They really thought of that, how they put that together properly. But that is what we have at the end, and I've got no more. So we'll have to wait another month for a little bit more to come in. But I really hope that you will join me then. Please like, subscribe and pass it on, and join me that time when I do some more. And that subscribe button is on the side here, somewhere on the screen. So have a look at that, and have a look at my channel, and join me next time. I really hope you will do. See you then. Bye bye.